Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to operate your Lexus RX 350. To begin, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Press the brake pedal firmly, then push the engine start/stop button to power on. For remote starting, simply press the lock button on your key fob twice, then press and hold it for about 3 seconds. The hazard lights will flash, indicating the engine has started. If your key fob battery is low, just touch the fob directly to the start button to get going. Now let's get familiar with the driving controls. To shift gears, move the lever left and up for reverse or left and down for drive. Press the P button for park. On your steering wheel, you'll find buttons to activate adaptive cruise control and lane tracing assist, helping maintain speed and lane position. You can also easily manage audio volume, answer phone calls, and use voice commands without taking your hands off the wheel. The electronic parking brake is typically a switch near the shifter. Your Lexus RX 350 features an intuitive infotainment system. The large central touchscreen display provides access to navigation, audio, and phone functions. For climate control, you can use the physical dials or the touchscreen to set individual temperatures for the driver and front passenger. Many models also offer heated and cooled front seats, plus a heated steering wheel, all easily managed through the screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available for effortless smartphone connectivity. Finally, let's explore the advanced safety and parking features. The Lexus Safety System Plus offers a suite of technologies like a pre-collision system, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert help you detect vehicles you might not see. For parking, the advanced park assist system can automatically steer, brake, and accelerate to guide your vehicle into parallel or perpendicular spaces. Parking sensors also provide alerts for nearby objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.